Romain Virgo sends heartfelt birthday wishes to girlfriend. Romain Virgo is rich in love. The reggae singer took to social media on Thursday to send an emotional message to his longtime girlfriend Elizabeth on her birthday. "I can't thank God enough for sending you in my life," Virgo captioned a photo of the two who are currently in Las Vegas. "You know my heart better than any other human on this planet, so by now you should know you have both lock and key to it. Thank you for believing in me and for always being patient. 6 years now and you are still as beautiful as the first time I saw you, and you are getting even more beautiful inside and outside as the years goes by. Happy birthday, Queen Elizabeth. Love you with all my heart, baby."
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, 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 beat and teach.
I know some of my subscribers and viewers them not easy, you know. Some of them are say, "Teach next, teach. What the story here? So teach next one, something else." But the lesson in this, peeps, is that as an entertainer in the music industry in Jamaica, the men are generally very promiscuous, and it is very exemplary that this young man, Romain Virgo, who could have gotten many other girls, has remained true to this one lady. I am not saying that him probably never go outside the relationship. We cannot speculate that, but the fact is he is professing his love for a lady he has been in a relationship with for 6 solid years. Those things are not things that happen regular in the lives of dancehall artists, male artists in Jamaica. So it's a good look, you understand what I say? And we have to give the youth credit for that, because many people are 6 days or 6 weeks or 6 months and it done, and the youth thing I got 6 years. You understand? And the man profess him love publicly for him girl, and that commendable. So Romain, big up yourself, and I suppose one day you're going to make Elizabeth a real queen, making her Miss Virgo. So until that day, just go and do your thing and go and live, love and laugh. Yeah, you big up yourself. Elizabeth sweet too. Nah, lie, me a cut, my gone.
Thank you, Romain. Love you too. Thank you very much. You might want to lipstick there.
Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.